So I wanted to show you this because it is the beauty of fertilization. Normally I just try to go for really good soil and hope that I will get a nice harvest. What you see here is in the foreground parsnips, then pak choi, then rutabaga, and in the back cos lettuce, romaine. This group over here, this whole end, all the way down to there, was not given extra fertilizer. But in the middle of this long row, I planted onions and I fertilized the heck out of them. And all of a sudden you can see everything gets big. Now, the onions were from summer, and I pulled them out right around the end of June. But you can see these guys are huge. They're also flowering. It's nice. And I'll show you some of the really nice rutabaga bulbs I'm getting down here. And I just used a straight 10-10-10 fertilizer and a little bit of bone meal on my onions. And these guys, I've already clipped the pak choi in this area, but you can see they're bigger. And look at these beautiful, beautiful rutabaga bulbs. Those guys aren't too big, but that's okay. And this huge pak choi right here. This thing's enormous. Anyway, fertilize your veggies. You will get a much better harvest.